Good morning everyone. My name is Athra Vishal Patil from grade 9. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday and today's date is 8 September 2025. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone, this is Nikunj Rathi from grade 9th and today on the behalf of Motivational Monday, I would like to share a thought. The thought is, literacy is a transformative human right and a powerful tool for person and societal advancement. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. This is Soundarya Balwan from grade 9.
I am Avantika Patil from grade 9.
My name is Risha Kiturkar from grade 9.
This is Anushka Sanjay Kunure from grade 9.
Today we are telling you today's importance of the day. Today we are observing International Literacy Day, observed every year on 8 September, established by UNESCO in 1966, aims to raise awareness about the importance of literacy for individual, communities and societies.
Now, you all might be wondering, why is literacy important? Empowers individuals, reduces poverty and improves health, promotes gender equality, supports lifelong learning and sustainable development.
Let me share some global literacy facts, which are as follows. First, over 750 million adults still lack basic reading writing skills. Second, two out of 3 are literate women. Third, many children still do not have access to quality education.
The theme of International Literacy Day 2025 in promoting literacy in digital era.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to give a message that promote reading habits, donate books or volunteer for literacy programs.
Support equal access on education.
May every child and adults in the world have the chance to read, write,
and
grow.
grow.
Thank you.